Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad you stopped by. Today, I want to talk about something that caught my attention recently. It's called SmartInbox. Now, before you think this is just another email tool with a fancy name, hear me out. This one claims to completely change how you manage business emails. And if you're a small business owner, freelancer, or someone just trying to look more professional online, this might be a game changer for you. Let's start with the basics. SmartInbox is pitching itself as the world's first AI-powered platform that lets you create and use your own professional business email address. And the best part is, you can do it on your own domain. So instead of using Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, you could have an email like yourname.yourbrand.com. It's a small shift, but one that makes a big difference when it comes to branding and trust. We all know how frustrating it can be to send an important email and have it land in someone's spam folder, or worse, bounce completely because your email provider gets flagged. That's something SmartInbox claims to fix. They say they've built their platform from the ground up to deal with all those issues. Better deliverability, fewer spam problems, and protection from getting your IP address blacklisted. Basically, your emails are supposed to reach inboxes, not the junk folder. Now, what makes this tool especially interesting is the setup process. It's supposed to be as simple as adding your domain, creating your business email, and you're done. No complex DNS configurations, no third-party tools to integrate, no ongoing tech headaches. Just a clean setup that even someone with zero tech experience could manage in a few clicks. Another thing I found pretty cool is that they're offering this as a one-time payment instead of a subscription. Most platforms like Google Workspace or Zoho Mail charge you monthly. And sure, they work great, but those fees can add up fast, especially if you have multiple email accounts. SmartInbox is going the opposite direction by giving you lifetime access. If you're trying to keep overhead low or just tired of stacking up software subscriptions, that's a real bonus. The platform also includes a built-in email editor that looks pretty solid from what I've seen. It's designed to let you create polished, professional-looking emails from scratch, so you don't need another tool just to send newsletters or client updates. Everything happens in one place, and that kind of simplicity is always welcome. There's also a big push here toward helping you build your brand. Think about it. Every time you send an email from a custom domain, it reinforces your identity. It looks more credible, more established, and more serious. Compare that to sending an invoice or proposal from a generic Gmail address. It's not a deal breaker, but it doesn't exactly scream professionalism either. Now, for those of you who work with clients, there's a commercial license included if you buy during their launch. That means you can use SmartInbox to set up email systems for your clients and charge them for the service. So if you run a digital agency or offer any kind of tech services, this could become an additional stream of income. I will say, though, there are a few things I'd like to see more clearly explained. For instance, how exactly are they handling the back end of email hosting? What safeguards are in place to keep your emails secure and your domain protected from spam flags? The platform talks a lot about AI and proprietary tech, but it would be great to see more technical transparency. Deliverability is a big deal, and most people who've run email campaigns know it's a complex topic. It's not just about sending messages. It's about making sure they land where they're supposed to. That said, from a value perspective, what they're offering is pretty compelling. If it delivers on even half of what it promises, it could easily be worth the one-time price they're charging right now, especially since they're also offering a money-back guarantee, so you have a cushion if it's not the right fit. So yeah, SmartInbox has definitely piqued my interest. Whether you're running a business, managing a brand, or just want to level up your communication game without breaking the bank, it might be worth checking out. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried it? Are you using another solution? Drop a comment down below and let's talk about it. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, Hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.